In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your product and share your link across multiple platforms. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can confidently get your product in front of more people and increase your chances of making sales. We'll start from the moment you're ready to share your product, then move on to publishing it, copying your link, and finally using that link on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and others. First, once your product page is ready and you're happy with the title, description, price, and images, look toward the top right area of your screen. There should be a button or option labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. The Share option is usually designed to help you quickly distribute your product or content, so this is where you'll begin the process of making your product public and accessible. After clicking Share, you should see an option to publish your product. Find the button that says Publish and click on it. This step is crucial because until you publish, your product may not be visible to others. Publishing essentially tells the platform that your product is ready to go live and can be viewed or purchased by customers. Before you confirm, take a brief moment to double check your details so you're not pushing out an unfinished or incorrect version. Once your product is published, the platform should generate a unique link for your product page. You'll usually see this link appear immediately after publishing, often in a pop-up, a confirmation message, or directly under the share options. Highlight this link and copy it. This URL is what you'll share externally so people can visit your product page with a single click. Now that you have your link, it's time to put it to work. You can use this one product link on Gumroad, Etsy, and any other platform or marketplace where you can sell or promote your work. On Gumroad or Etsy, you might place the link in your product description, your profile, or in a section where you direct customers to additional resources or related products. You can also share the same link on social media, in email newsletters, or on your personal website. By following these steps, you're making it easy for potential customers to find and purchase your product from virtually anywhere you choose to promote it.